Thursdays and Fridays I could do it.
Thursdays I'm usually done by 5 o'clock, and Fridays I leave my, or I only go to one shop, I'm out there by 3 o'clock at the latest, probably a little 2:30. I don't really have to worry about it, I don't have a business, but if I'm not out of the shop, I don't know.
I want to shift work for Bill for 13 years. In the Navy, and I worked for Soviet paper company before that.
Yeah.
So I've worked shift work the whole life. Getting up at 3:13 in the morning when I work days, and okay, well, coming home at 4:30 in the morning when I work nights.
UPS for 11 years, and then the last 8.5 I've been doing the macro thing, so.
I was wondering how my wife was gonna handle retirement after, we were made for, together for 10 years. Then I worked just work for the last 10 years. She's used to it now, she's like, hey, who's good? I'm like, can you ring it up? Hey, can you ring it up? Hey, John. Hey, can you do this? I'm like, yeah. She loves it.
Hey, John.
Hi, John.
Hey, it's John. Hey.
John, I'm gonna run my train around another time, and then I'll pull off, and you get on, and
Well, I just sit there.
I don't care. I'm going early.
We got people, I do got 2 people in there already.
No, I'm not a member. I don't count.
He's not a member.
I'm not a member. I don't count.
What do you mean,
I ain't paid this year's dues yet.
Yeah, he's not a member.
So I don't count.
Hey, we carry these people for 3 months, so you're a member.
No,